Hi everyone, City here. Today we have a Frymaster electric fryer with the computers. We will try to show how to remove them and to replace them whenever you need to. Usually in Frymaster they have two screws, one here and one here. As you can see, these screws are flat head, so this is a very easy job to do. Anyone can do it. Don't lose your screws because you will need them when you pull this back. You open it like this. They are different, and when you order your parts, usually it has like a data information here, as you can see, as the model number, item number, input, and all information. But before you do that, before you order the right one for your fryer, I always recommend to go on the door, because it has like a data plate that gives all information about the fryer you have, like the model number, as you can see here, the model number, and the serial number, the series, and if it's gas or what's the voltage, and all the information that you need for the fryer, to know about the fryer. Because when you call anyone that supplies these parts, they will ask for this information, so get them ready and have them on your hands when you want to call, before you call them. Anyway, when you pull this out like this, you pull it like this, and there's a wire harness, and you pull it like this. It's very easy. Then you take a screwdriver and you pull out the ground. Then here's it. Then you put it back. Imagine that this is your new parts, and you just put it in back like this. But before you do this, I forgot to mention that you have to disconnect the fryer from the electricity or from the power, so to avoid any shock. And you do this, then you put back your two screws. After you put back the screws, I will recommend to start them with your fingers, and start to tighten them with your fingers until they get tight, because of course try to clean as much as possible when you pull it, before you install the R1. And this is how you do it. The next one. This is how you do it. Hopefully this video will be helpful one day for you when you need it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, and it means a lot to us. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and we will be happy to assist you with the to share any information that we have with you. And thank you very much again for watching, and stay greasy, and you have a good one.